how to sew agbada for a little boy. I will leave the link to the video in the description box. In this video, I'm going to sew ladies agbada. I'm using thick black chiffon. The length I'm going to use for the agbada is 38 inches. This 38 inches. I will add sewing allowance 2 inches. I will fold into 2. After folding into 2, I have 40 inches. I fold this way to give me into 4. This is the length and this is the shoulder. This material is by 60. This place is by 60. After folding into 2, I have 30 inches on the shoulder. When you are measuring shoulder, you divide by 2, not by 4. Then when you are measuring bust, waist, hip, you divide by 4. Or bottom, you divide by 4. But on the shoulder, you divide by 2. I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm going to use this to make design on the front for the little boy. Like this. And on the side. Like I said, I will leave the video to this little boy's agbada in the description box. The trouser and the kaftan. This is the trouser and the cap. But the kaftan and the trouser, it's another material, but the same measurement with this one. I will leave the video in the description box. I will measure neckline 3.5 inches. I will cut back with 1/2 inch. I will open to cut the front neck. This is the neckline. This is the front and the back. I would mark . You can sew any neck of your choice on agbada. You can sew round neck like this and open so it can pass through the head. You can mark round and open. You can mark V. Depend on the type of neckline you want. I mark this way and come like this. This is what I will cut. And after that, I will cut the same on this one. I'm going to place this under like this. This I will hold with pin before I cut. measure 3 inches. I'll cut here. This is the back and this is the front. I will sew from the back. I will hold with pin before I sew. I will go and sew like this. And after finish sewing, I will bring to the I will notch after sewing, then I will bring to the right side, to this side, before I hem this place. I have the one to sew on the side, the one to sew on the side, this one on the side here, this place. I have 3.5 inches by the length, 3.5 inches on this side by the length. I'm going to bring it to the right side. Like this. I will iron. I will hem, bring this way, hold with pin. After holding with pin, I'll go and sew this way. This is the bottom and the side. I will sew from the front to the back like this. I will sew straight to the length. After sewing, I will bring it to the back and hem and sew straight. I will do the same on this side. I'm done sewing the first one here. I'm done sewing here and this side. I will iron. I will hem like this. I will sew this way straight down to this place. I'm done sewing. I'm going to join the bottom. This is the side and this is the bottom into two. I will measure from here, from this place to here, 9 inches. I will measure from here to this place 9 inches and sew here with 1.5 inch. And so after measuring 9 inches, I will sew from here 1.5 inch this way to 9 inches. I will measure 1.5 inch and sew this way to 9 inches. After sewing, I will hem the bottom. I will show you when I've done doing that. I'm done sewing this place. I measure from here to here 9 inches. From here to here 9 inches, and I will sew with 1.5 inch. This is 1.5 inch. I will place on my machine this way. I've already sewn one side. You can see the way it is. I will bring this way like this, and I will sew to this place. I'm done sewing. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. And if you have any question concerning this video or any of my video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.